Ring Builder 3000. You are looking at an automated multifunctional work center and an innovative tread recovery system. This device is produced by the Italian company Marangoni. And the model on the screen is the Ring Builder 3000. In operation, it uses ring tread technology. This means that raw material is put inside the equipment to directly restore the tread, and in the end you can get a ready-to-use tire. Also, the work center allows you to fill unwanted cavities and damages with insert rubber, thus preparing the tire for the curing process. The undoubted advantage is that the machine unites all the phases of the repair process into one, reducing human effort to a minimum. In addition, 2 tires can be processed simultaneously. The manufacturer offers several models which differ in size and production capacity. The Ring Builder 3000 is the largest machine in the line, and it's designed for large companies engaged in tread restoration. Among the key features of the model are higher throughput capacity and a higher level of automation compared to the competitors. Dronebrella. If you've ever been caught in the rain, you've probably thought about how cool it would be if you didn't have to hold your umbrella in your hand all the time. Of course, it's not heavy and not so difficult to hold, but it still keeps your hand busy, sometimes both of them, limiting your movement. Moula, an illusionist from France, thought about that too. He remembered that he occasionally uses unique self-moving umbrellas for his performances, and he decided to use them in real life. So, thanks to the team from Augmented Magic, Dronebrella was created. Essentially, it's a small drone attached to an umbrella. It can be controlled using a specially developed mobile application. You can order the device to stay in place, fly around, or recharge, but most important command is, of course, follow me. The drone learns the user's location by the position of their smartphone and then flies directly over their head, protecting them from the rain. It's noteworthy that the drone can follow the person walking or riding a bicycle. So far, Dronebrella is just a prototype, but in the near future, the project will be launched on a crowdfunding platform and mass production will begin. UKB Tools. On the modern market, there's a large assortment of various equipment designed for bending sheet material. Depending on the type of equipment and the templates used, it's possible to obtain a variety of details of very complex shapes. The video shows the operation of the equipment of the German company UKB. Its specialists have been working in the field of bending presses for more than 25 years. According to the experts, the aim of the company is to create equipment that will combine high productivity with precision and high quality of the resulting workpieces. It's noteworthy that UKB offers tools with different mounting systems, covering the whole range of bending equipment manufacturers market. For example, the templates can have pivoting support elements, which means that no tool marks are left on the material surface during bending. Furthermore, it's possible to bend around a punctured hole without stretching or deforming it. Iron Ox. For the first time, information about this farm where only robots work appeared in October last year. The startup was named Iron Ox, and its specialists created agricultural manipulators capable of growing herbs on hydroponic plants on their own. The robots perform a harvesting function. They can lift and relocate the units with the plants. The robots are fully automated too, but a lot of effort has been made to make the machines so smart. The processes shown on the screen are the result of 2.5 years of development and testing. Specialists have set up a system that monitors crop growth, equipped it with sensors that monitor the operation of hydroponic plants. The system is controlled by a cloud service, through which robots know when to harvest and how to do it. Note how well the processes are organized. For example, the manipulator moves the containers slowly and smoothly, so that the water doesn't spill out. The farm shown on the screen allows to produce up to 26,000 plants per year, which is 30 times more than the yield of an open farm. Mobile stair lift. Ladders, even small ones, are a real challenge for the elderly and people with disabilities. For the former, there are special elevators going up and down, and for the latter, special ramps or elevators are installed on the stairs. Unfortunately, however, such equipment isn't available everywhere, so we have to come up with new ways to handle the situation. At first glance, the mobile stair lift looks like an unusual wheelchair. However, its unique design makes it possible to go up and down stairs with convenience for both the person sitting in the chair and the person carrying it. The equipment is delivered in a large box and doesn't require any additional assembly, which is certainly a big advantage. You can start using it as soon as the chair is delivered. In addition, the chair has a different design from the other models. There's no need to install special rails on the stairs, which is often a long and difficult process. The mobile stair lift has a maximum load capacity of 226 kilograms, with one battery charge sufficient to cover 100 flights of stairs. It only takes 4 hours to fully charge as well. The seatbelt provides additional safety for the person. The mobile stair lift can be used on any staircase, regardless of the material. Z-Man Climb. A few years ago, the US government asked the engineering firm Draper to develop new equipment that would allow special services to climb the walls easily and quickly without the use of complex fasteners and all sorts of ropes. This is how the equipment called the Z-Man Climb appeared. Thinking through the principle of its operation, the engineers watched the geckos, which easily climb on any surface using their feet. If you look closely at them, you can see millions of tiny hairs, flexible and very strong. When the animal brings them close to the surface on which they crawl, the van der Waals force takes effect, i.e. the atoms, when in close contact, create a temporary attraction. This method of movement is undoubtedly effective, so it was decided to apply it to humans. Z-Man Climb suction cups are made of silicone, imitating gecko skin. However, conventional suction cups didn't allow a person to hang in one place, so they were complemented by a system of stirrups connected to pumps. When the stirrups are pressed, the pumps suck air out of the silicone suction cups. This allows them to press against the wall tightly enough to activate the van der Waals force. Transferring body weight from one arm to the other allows to move along the wall like a gecko.